The excitement between Dicker Data and our vendors has been building, and we're thrilled to be able to talk to you, our valued partners, about how we're going to reunite and reconnect the channel in 2022. When we first launched TechX back in 2019, our objective was clear: to set a new standard in technology channel events that connected partners with the world's leading brands, and to provide them with a clear plan on how to capitalize on where the market was going next.
Fast forward 3 years and you arrive at the launch of TechX 2022. Innovation accelerated. This is your opportunity to hear from industry analyst Mark Isles in person as he provides the roadmap on what's next for our local partner community. Plus, you'll hear from senior executives from our top tier sponsors on how they're helping you to accelerate New Zealand's digital transformation.
Together through the pandemic, we've proven that the channel is an immensely powerful asset to our economy, and it is a driving force that keeps people, families, businesses and communities connected. I hope to see you all in person, along with more than 30 of the world's leading brands at TechX 2022.
Don't miss this unique opportunity to discover how we can help accelerate your success in 2022 and beyond. Register today at dickerdata.co.nz/TechX and discover why experience is the difference.